Hello! In this video I'm gonna show you how to change theme on your Lenovo Horizon 2. So in order to do that, you will need to double tap on your screen and then hold your finger onto it, like that. Now go to Personalize and choose Themes. From here you can change anything about your theme, like the color. But it takes some time to actually change. You can choose from these colors as well. And let us go back to the themes. You can change your, of course, wallpaper, the sounds for your system. Right here. And the mouse cursor as well, if you want. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.